Hi there, welcome back to Pretty Much Flawless. Today we have a special announcement. Let's get into it. The announcement is, I have hit 400 subscribers. Also, this is my 50th video. To celebrate, we will have to do a challenge. Alright, so this board has 44 surface mount components and 16 through-hole components. So, we'll start the timer for 400 seconds for my 400 subscribers, and then we'll see if we can desolder 50 components in 400 seconds. So 400 seconds is 6 minutes 40 seconds, and our soldering iron is warm, so here we go. Alright, well, that is it. So, I'll have to count up the total component tally here. So, I'll begin doing that here. Alright, so the grand total comes to 45. I was just 5 short of my goal of 50. So, it turns out I only desoldered 45 components in 400 seconds rather than the 50 I was hoping for. But, here's something interesting. So, I've only posted 45 YouTube videos. I've posted 5 YouTube shorts. So, if we take away those YouTube shorts, then I've only posted 45 real full-length videos, and that's still a win. Thank you very much for supporting my channel so far. I've hit 400 subscribers. That's great. And I'll see you next time.